If you have a Marantec Synergy 200 series or 300 series model garage door opener and you're looking to add some more light to it, so when you get in the garage it's illuminated a little bit better, then stick around and we'll show you how to add more LED lights to your garage door opener. Let's get to it. So if you have one of the Marantec Synergy model openers, which is the 200 series or the 300 series, then you're going to have LED lights in your opener instead of light bulbs. And you can add more LED lights to your existing light setup. Now in the 200 series, you'll find a small block of LEDs like this that come with the opener. And in the 300 series, you'll find strips of LEDs like this. And there will be one of these strips on either side of the opener, and in the 200 series you'll just get one of these blocks. So if you order another cluster of LED lights for the 200 series, you'll get another one of these, which will basically double the amount of light coming from your opener. And if you order it for the 300 series, you'll get two of these strips, which gives you a total of 4 then in your opener. So this is a Synergy 270, which is the 200 series of openers. And if you go up to the back of your operator, you'll see the light cover here. And I like to use a knife because I can get in behind here, and you just push on these tabs at the top and this light cover will pop off. And you can just pull the light cover off of the opener. And then inside there, right here, you see a cluster of LED lights that are plugged into the operator. So we're going to have to take these out and add the second cluster onto this one and then reinstall it. So now we zoomed in here on the operator, the power head, and you can see the cluster of lights right here. That's what comes with the opener. And so you're just going to grab onto them and just pull them out, and you'll see there's a connection on the back. So you'll just take that and you'll pull that connection off. So when you purchase a new cluster of lights like these, you also get this wire. This connects the two clusters of LEDs together. So we'll want to take and put this wire in the new cluster, then grab your old cluster and we'll connect it with the wire like so. So now the two clusters of LEDs are connected. Now I need to take the wire that's coming from the opener and connect it to one of the clusters. So we have it all connected there. And now we can put these back in. Okay, so you want to take the wire that's coming from the opener, push as much as you can back into the opener so it's not too bulky, and then you'll see slots in there. And you'll want to have the small sides of these on the top, the longer on the bottom, and then you'll put them in the slot and then push up on the outsides until you hear a click, and then those are in place. So now again, now we put the second set in. See the shorter ones go toward the top, the longer are at the bottom. The ones on the bottom will slide into the slots. And you push them up until you hear a click and you're installed. And now you can put your light cover back on. You'll see you have these tabs on the bottom, and they go into the slots on the bottom of the opener. You just push it up on until it's snug. So that's how you add additional LEDs to your Synergy 200 series garage door opener. The 300 series is going to be the same, except you'll be adding the longer strips, and there's 2 of them, so you would add 1 to each side of the opener. If you're interested in purchasing the LED lights for your Synergy garage door opener, we'll leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can email us at youtube@garagedoorzone.com, visit our store at garagedoorzone.com, and we do appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.